right back, driven off the light rack. My adrenaline is where the wattage of the lights at. I don't middlemen, so all the homage that they might lack. Got them listening and their responses with the hyper tracks. Made believers out of ignorance, and I can recall us as being what they obviously wanted, but probably lost us. Used to hide the trophies, but there's too many to keep straight. Now I let the streamers hang, if that'll help you see the way. The 23rd letters accumulate for you to say that I could fall back to the 12th. Just never knew the stakes. Those is W's and L's for all of you that's late. Run the one truthfully well. See how I drew the play? X marks the spot. My check start and stop. Connect across the dots. Some shoebox made on this metallic pewter road. I was dribbling across my footprints in the concrete. Is a penny for your thoughts. Add it. You know what the winning bout. Telling my ambition got me tripping on a winner's route. Never be the same once you see what all the winners bout. So when you shouting the winners out, do remember us. Do remember us. When you shouting the winners out, do remember us. Do remember us. Do remember us. When you shouting the winners out, do remember us.
Baby and beast, I transform, ill mind, metamorphosize, shapeshift, unorthodox the way the author scribed. Off the wall, on another plane, different paradigm. Switching lanes, swift and changeable, dangerous with minds. My design intricate, I refine sentences slick with penmanship, framed images with a witness associated with greatness. Hard work benefits. Do remember the names and don't forget the faces. I breathe the fast life underneath the bright lights. On the big stage, got on my game face. If I can make it here, I can make it anywhere. Plus the world is out, show them how we feel. So I can't flop, even if I do drop. See me getting right back up, the game don't stop. So I let my next move always be my best one. I am a gift from God, I am the blessed one. So you know what the winning bout. Telling my ambition got me tripping on a winner's route. Never be the same once you see what all the winners bout. So when you shouting the winners out, do remember us. Do remember us. When you shouting the winners out, do remember us. Do remember us. Do remember us. When you shouting the winners out, do remember us. Do remember
that
us.
silverback gorilla circuit, 20 milligram Percocet, not bling bling, but sing 3-ring circus rap, not for the mainstream, but a higher purpose that services blue collar workers who cannot afford to purchase that. Bang bang. Yeah. So you know where my boys are. You do remember us like toys are. The most prestigious lawyers could never help me avoid bars. Now my face scarred up, incarcerated, obligated to a vendetta to rap better than Garsha Vegas. Retarded playlist, God related, thank God we made it. Mastery over master recordings without an affidavit. And I'm taking the winner's route. You at the mark, I'm at the finish line, drinking a Guinness stout. From the beginning, it's always what it's been about. Bounce pass, chest pass, run the weed in and out. 2-a-days every day when you shouting the winners out.
You know what the winning bout. Telling my ambition got me tripping on a winner's route. Never be the same once you see what all the winners bout. So when you shouting the winners out, do remember us. Do remember us. When you shouting the winners out, do remember us. Do remember us. Do remember us. When you shouting the winners out, do remember us. Do remember us.
I want this on camera. Wei Ming, where are you, you fucking snob? Look at where he's parked. What is this bullshit? Some racist car. Look at this racist fucking M3. What is it? Because they're all black. This is fucking bollocks. There's one blue, there is a... Wei Ming, this is... where are you? Sausage... yeah, it's long. The route master.
What do you want me to do with it?
Just hold it. I'm gonna
Why can't you hold it?
I'm gonna
put it in your thing. Wow. Lazy.
Absolutely.
I bet
he's
it's still
a snob.
recording as
He's
well.
in his pouch. Jeez, the boys are opening up. We're opening up, baby. So I don't know if the camera's picking it up. Oh, he's going downhill. You're lucky. You're lucky. So basically, Yemi used to bitch about my car droning like crazy, right? We've just discovered that Poseidon also drones.
Nah, it's alright.
But there's a difference in tone, like we agreed. His one is more like a boo, which is really nice. Mine's a little more throat. A river, the sea, Poseidon, coming back to its natural fucking origins. I call it Poseidon because we're blue. Laguna Seca. Very good, very nice. High on oxygen. suggestion. Don't do drugs, kids. Buy E46 M3s and waste all your money on parts.
Yeah, do that. Best thing you'll ever do.
100%. 100%. These birds are trying to die. They just crossed the road like, ah, fuck you. Move! Move, bitch! Get out the way. Cows!
Wait, what are you saying?
Well done, families. Beef! Is it beef? Is it beef? Yummy is getting finally upgraded.
3 should do.
That is the most uneven sticking I've seen in my life. Can we just appreciate?
What do you mean uneven?
Can we just appreciate? I get OCD with this. He just slapped it on.
As long as it does the job, it don't matter.
Because there's like residue from your previous.
It's solid.
You disgusting man. Look at that. Look at that.
Tom, where's Tom?
Tom, help this disgusting man. He's about to stick a plate on a disgusting bumper. There's like sticky residue and I'm just fully hotting him up. You would have fucking hotted me up as well. Oh, someone's stealing. Oh, he's stealing. Thief.
I've done a Tom now. Probably Tom's a tradition. Unlock it, you're the one who locked it.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Trying to set me up. Have you got stuff to stick this on? Yeah.
Yeah, it's on it, it's on it, it's on it. Are you ready? Wait!
Is that, oh, whatever. I just need it on. I just need it on.
No, it looks good, it looks good.